Callistus, you want some rolls? Hey guys, so I'm about to go make some spring rolls, and I said I should share that with you guys. I don't want this video to be that long, so yeah. Did you say hi? Why are you looking at the outside? Yeah, the sun is out, so Callistus is pretty happy, right? Are you happy? Don't do that. Don't eat the camera. Alright guys, so let's go get started. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, make sure to do so so you can see more of this stuff. So yeah, without wasting my time, let's go hop right into it. Okay guys, so I have here my chopped cabbage. This is already, I did this early on because like I said, I don't want this video to be that long. So this is cabbage that I had to chop it like that, and I have here two pieces of yellow onions. I have one green pepper. I have two what? Callistus, stop confusing me. And here I have two garlic, and I have I love using carrots a lot, so I have this whole carrots to use. So, and I have here, I have to cut this beef into bits. I have here a beef. It's already washed, but I'm gonna wash it again. So I don't only wash my beef and chicken or any other meat. I actually wash it with vinegar. So yeah, let's get started. What are you doing? Why did you keep taking your socks off? Callistus, why do you keep doing that? Huh? What are you even doing here in the kitchen? up, okay? Good boy. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wash all the veggies with vinegar. So this is the carrot and then the green pepper. Put a little bit of that in there. And I'll put a little bit of that. This is the onion. This is the garlic. So I'm gonna wash the garlic too with vinegar. This is our beef. I'm gonna wash it with vinegar. Yeah. You guys, whilst we're waiting for the filling to get ready, we're gonna go ahead with a spring roll. So I got this from Jungle Gyms. This is called spring roll wrappers. So you can get this from I think any grocery store, you know. Oh, this comes like in 25 pieces in it. So yeah, I'm not gonna make all the 25. So I'm gonna go ahead and take like just 10 pieces. Yeah. Go ahead and put the rest in the freezer. Okay guys, so our filling is done. So but it's pretty hot, so I'm just gonna let it sit till it cools down a little bit. Then I'll go ahead and then wrap the roll, then we fry it. So I have here 10 pieces of spring roll wrap. I'm just gonna use 10, and I'm gonna need a little bit of all-purpose flour just to seal it when I'm rolling it. So I need like just teaspoon. Oops. I'll add a little bit of water. Okay, so this is gonna help with the sealing of the roll. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get some for today's rolls, and I'll keep the rest in the fridge tomorrow, the next day. So yeah, that's our filling for the spring rolls. Okay guys, so let's go ahead with the filling. So I have here 10 pieces of wrap. I told you I'm just using 10. So this is how you go about it. This is the most important part, you guys, how to wrap it. So this is it here. Okay, go ahead and put a little bit of that, the filling. I don't know if you guys can see. Alright. So you wrap it like that. This comes here. That comes together like that. Okay. Then you wrap it again. Then you use your all-purpose flour that we mixed with water just to seal it, you know, to seal. Put it there to seal the roll. Okay. So yeah, this is how it. Okay guys, so I'm done with rolling the rolls. I'm done rolling the rolls. Alright, so you have to make sure the oil is very hot. So as you can see, I don't know if you can see, but it's very hot. So you go ahead and then drop it in there. Since I have 10, I'll just make it 5. I'll just go ahead and fry this 5 and make the out of 5 the next batch. How is this? You want some rolls? Okay guys, so our spring rolls is done. As you can see, it's very, it looks good, it smells good. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells good, it looks good, it's gonna taste good. Yeah. Okay guys, we're gonna end today's video here. Thank you very much for staying tuned till the end. What are you chewing? My hair? No. Oh my gosh, guys. What are you chewing? Some rolls? No. Okay guys, thank you very much for don't put my hair, for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to do so and turn on your post notification, so every time we post videos you're gonna get notified. Right, Callistus? Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Bye. Say bye. Say bye bye. See you guys.